In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pom-pom border to your finished crochet project. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. I'm so excited to show you how to do this pom-pom border. Let's jump right in. For this project, you would need your completed crochet piece. I'll be using this granny square for today's tutorial. You would need your favorite yarn. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver in the color of Rose Petal. You also would need your crochet hook that matches the recommended size for your yarn and a good pair of scissors. Let's go ahead and jump right in by pulling out some of our yarn and starting our slip knot. Okay, with our slip knot onto our hook, we're going to go ahead and insert our hook into our project. Pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 hooks. Go ahead and secure that chain onto your project. Now let's begin by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's chain 3 more. 1, 2, 3. You will now have a total of 6 chains onto your project. Let's now count down 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a cluster stitch into the 3rd chain. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd chain, pull through. You have 3 loops onto your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2. You now have 3 loops onto your hook. Now for one more time of repeating that same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook in that same space, pull through 2. You will now have a total of 4 loops onto your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4. You're going to yarn over and secure it with 1 chain. Now, let's go ahead and chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We're now going to do a cluster stitch in the 3rd chain space. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space, pull through. You now have a total of 3 loops onto your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. 1, 2 loops is now on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook back into that same chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2. You now have a total of 3 loops onto your hook. One more time for repeating this same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain space, pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2. You now have a total of 4 loops onto your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4. You're now going to fold the 2 clusters together and you're going to insert your hook into this chain space. Pull through. Chain 1. This now has created our pom-pom effect. Let's go ahead and chain 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. Now you can look at your project and see where you would like to place this edge down. For this project, is going to count over 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, pull over, and pull through. We have now created our Pom Pom border. Let's do this again. Chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Count down 3 from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd chain space. You have 3 loops onto your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Let's repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2. You have a total of 3 loops onto your hook. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2. You now have a total of 4 loops onto your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1. Now let's go ahead and chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We're now going to do a cluster stitch in our 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull up. There are 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2. 3 loops are now onto your hook, and you're ready to do the last stitch into this cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 loops are on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4. What you're going to do now is fold your 2 clusters over, insert your hook into the beginning of the 1st cluster, and pull through. Chain 1. Now let's go ahead and chain down 3. 1, 2, 3. And now again, you're going to skip the same amount of spaces as you chosen. I chose 3. And then you will begin again. You will continue to repeat this pattern all the way around till you get all the way to the beginning of your project. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.